Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Gianviani from makingmoneysendimails.com, and in this channel you will learn how to make money online and live the laptop lifestyle. What I mean is living on your own terms, working wherever you want, just using a laptop, and enjoy your life, taking back the control of your time. I'm now in front of Royal Albert Hall in London, where now I'm currently living. I come from Italy. I was born in India, and now I'm living here because I think that's the most beautiful place to live for being self-employed, working online, getting in contact with like-minded people, so and so on. So in this channel you will have here playlists, videos and so on for making money using your email marketing, building a list, which product you have to choose, which software like Leadpages and so on you have to buy, and so on. Reviews, how to use ClickBank, etc., etc. But if you really want to have a step-by-step coaching, because here are peers, so you can just binge watching, get some tips. But if you want step-by-step coaching, you have to go to makemoniesendemails.com and put your email. You get free step-by-step coaching on how to make money online, and which products you have to buy, in which order you have to buy them, and how to build your list in the most fastest way. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, click the bell for the notification to get a letter for new videos, and so on. And go to makemoniesendemails.com and put your email. Okay? Bye.